We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I will show how you can install battery on ARLO Pro 3 camera. So, in order to put this battery inside the camera, you first will need to take the camera out of its plastic compartment, which you can do by pressing in this button you'll find underneath the camera right next to the charging interface. So press it in. As you can see, the camera pops right out, so you take it out. Now, as you can see inside, we have the designed space for the battery. So put it in, match those contacts with those contacts here, like so. Push it in, and then get the camera back into its compartment. And now, as you can see, it works, since if I were to press the sync button, the LED light blinks. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.